It's recording.
Alright. Okay, Swag Entertainment. We got a brown guy recording.
Hi.
Alright, whatever. So we're missing the bro, Jason, right now, but it's all good. It's snowing. We live in Chicago. It's white out here.
Can't really see the snow.
You can look over there if you want to.
No, you can't.
Oh, you can't. Whatever. Anyways, yeah, we're just gonna do what we do. And stuff. Yay!
Yeah, dice one.
Shining like lightning, license in glass, cause you know a nigga showing up the shit real fast, fast cash, hustling, same time rap too, welcome at the source, more real for me to jack you. I'm so on, got your girl like damn, green crack to the levels of Amsterdam, hell yeah, just made me with some super gum. Moms could beat a nigga ass in his heat, get home, got an F in physics, can get the digits. I'm talking about school, damn I must be because if you fresher than me, you know you right. My girl from my chain of the Catch me in the club, just know I'm high as fuck. Got a charm on, so I never spill the drink. Why there's dice in my ear? The fuck you think? Need to come the hell down to this fucking another session, cause these girls keep me off with these dumb ass questions. Follow my money, no time for the stress, ain't fucking with me. I'ma have to keep you guessing. Stunt so much, damn stunt man hate me. Daughter wanna date me, bitch wanna rape me. Not to go hard, but these niggas can't fade me. Suicide thoughts, so the ice get crazy.
That's my ass off. Who comes by the house? Hey.
Exclusives and shit. Check out hotnewhiphop.com. YouTube. You got Mr. K2 Fresh for updates.